Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am in the post office, as you can see. I have just finished putting labels and stamps on all these. I'm not going to display it because it shows people's addresses here. You can see the stamps on here. This is I'll pull back so you can see this whole little deal here is full of envelopes, and I also have postcards in there as well, as you can see, and all this is going out today because I've got to get these letters out because Friday is the last day to get them out. As you can see, this thing is full. Okay, so this is the real deal. Go ahead and click the link for 30-day success formula, and then I'm also going to put the link below for six-figure stamp club, because I'm using the leads that I have because I'm able to get them at a discount rate through my membership with the six-figure stamp club for the 30-day success formula, guys. And then what I do is I take my six-figure stamp club, one of the letters, and I include it in the mailings with the 30-day success formula. Okay, so this is the real deal, as you can see. And then you see I've got my little dab here so that you can dab the envelopes. So if you're looking to make some money from home, definitely get with me. I'll give you my template for these full color postcards, as you can see right there. And then I have a template for these custom letters that I'm sending out. So if you want that as well, join my team and I will give you my source for that. As well as if you don't want full color postcards, we can give you the ones that you can print out on cardstock paper. Okay guys, so this is the way to go. As you can see, these letters are going out, and I've got more to mail the rest of the week. So this is the real deal. I actually do mail. I've been in direct mail successfully since 2013. I have been working from home full-time since 2015. See that stack? I'm just going around so you can see this is real. So click the link below, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have a blessed one.